We are laying down the new sod, so we didn't know that it's gonna be this much of work. We already been working for about 6-7 hours. And it's 5 of us, right? See, it looks beautiful. So this much left, and the backyard is also, it's done, right? Let's walk to the backyard. See how beautiful it looks. And of course I have the sprinklers, and we are doing the patio over there. I don't want to walk over the new sod, but you can see the patio is over there, and I have the sprinklers and they're off now. Yeah, only this much left, and I think like maybe 3 more hours if we are lucky. So let's see what happens, but it's a long day for us, definitely. These are the sprinkler heads. So we worked hard. We worked 24 hours straight, no stop, right? But anyway, I'm happy. This is so I just have 4 zones for my sprinklers. Right now is one of the zones is turned on, so the southwest zone, and then I have 3 more zones because we don't have much pressure to turn on all the heads right at the same time. So that's why I made zones for them, right? Yeah, let me know what you think. Let's see. I have to keep watering them now. Thank you guys for watching.